अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जी मेरा नाम सूफ़ी सालिक है। मैं बिलालिया एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ता हूँ और हमारे हाल ही में 10th का रिज़ल्ट हुआ था। मैंने खुद कुछ भी नहीं किया, ये सब कुछ अल्लाह का ही करम फजल है जिनकी मदद से ये सब कुछ हुआ। और उसके बाद मैं स्कूल के टीचर्स स्टाफ का भी बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि जो इतने मुश्किल हालात में भी हमें ऑनलाइन क्लासेस देने पर मजबूर करते थे। कि हमारा दिल नहीं होता था, हम फ़ोन पे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस देने के लिए तैयार नहीं होते थे, लेकिन वो तो भी हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स को फ़ोन करते थे कि ऐसे इनको ऑनलाइन क्लासेस दिलाओ। ऐसे वो फ़ोन करते थे। वो बहुत उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की हमारे लिए। हम उनकी भी बहुत शुक्रगुजार है। मेहरबानी उनकी वो ऐसे मेहनती है।
I and on behalf of our worthy chairman Haji Manzoor Ahmad Wami Sahab, academic advisors Dr. Shaukat Ahmad Zadu Sahab, Shafkat ma'am, the teachers and the students, highly congratulate all the students of J&K who have successfully achieved their success, who have qualified their examination with flying colors. May Allah bless them all. May they shower in future like shining stars at every step of their life. Secondly, I am highly thankful to all the parents who, despite of this COVID tension, despite of this COVID issue, they managed, they cooperated with the school authorities, and they make it possible to achieve such a great success which is in front of us today. Because I will not here discuss about the parents' cooperation, that will be a bit I can say ignorance. I am highly thankful to all the parents of J&K who have, not only J&K, throughout the world, who have provided their cooperation while making the studies of their wards a successful one. And at the last but not the least, I am highly thankful to our staff, the students and the parents who have jointly make it this result a successful one. Actually, the job of teacher is every time to think, to remain in continuous efforts how to achieve the better and successful goals of life of the students, because it is the only teacher who proves the worth of the young birds of our society. A teacher is supposed to like a jeweler who tries to give the shining and finishing point of the gems of our society. And the aim of the Bilaliya Education Institute every time is that we always work with the intention that we will provide the best citizens, not only to our society but to the whole globe, which can provide the better support for the better life with peaceful sensibility. And at last, I am very happy to see the result of our school students, especially the topper one, that is Suffi Salik, who have scored near about 489 marks. We are in the infancy level, the Bilaliya Education Institute is infancy level, but after this result, inshallah, the next year we will try to achieve again these 2%, which will achieve us the target of 500 after 500 in future times, inshallah. For that thing we need your prayers, your continuous support. At last, highly thankful to all the teachers, the students and the parents, and the worthy chairman Haji Manzoor Ahmad Wami Sahab, the managing committee, Madam Shafkat Jahan, Dr. Shaukat Ahmad Zadu Sahab.
मेरी लाइफ चेंज थी। पहले जब मैं छोटा था तब मैं दूसरे स्कूल में पढ़ा था, फिर जब बीच से 5th से मैं वहाँ पर स्कूल में गया और मेरी पूरी लाइफ ही चेंज हो गई। ये मेरा लाइफ का ग्रेटेस्ट सबसे अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। और मैं चाहूँगा कि मैं कभी उस जगह से, उस स्कूल से कभी ना दूर रहूँ, हमेशा उस के टच में रहूँ, क्योंकि वहाँ वो आम स्कूल की तरह तो है नहीं। वहाँ के टीचर्स भी कुछ अलग ही है, पेरेंट्स की फीलिंग आती है, और वहाँ दुनियावी तालीम भी और दीनी तालीम भी होती है। वहाँ वो उससे बेहतर स्कूल कोई नहीं है मेरे लिहाज से। अल्लाह से दुआ करता हूँ कि वहाँ मैं हमेशा टच में रहूँ उस स्कूल के।
देखिए, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह ताला का ऐसा करम है कि that the aim of this Bilaliya Education Institute is to groom the young buds of the society, is to provide the better citizen. Not only, I earlier told you, not only to the society, the whole globe. About this, to open the different branch at different districts. Inshallah, just pray for it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make it possible. We are also having another branch at Kimber. Recently we have started in 2018. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make it possible, and we will try to serve the society in the better way, so that the society will really realize the products of the Bilaliya Education Institute in a better manner.